this not a regular rap. Don't turn up the channel, no burn, no keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, water straight to the road to 100K, suck by the share. And every time you hit Lamar, you know burn no judge out the vid, we gon' burn over murder. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you drive that boat like a pro, my bro driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Brando the littest, YouTuber living.
Bro, how you sit up to a Walmart? This is not even a Walmart no more. So you pulled this up and it said it was open. Bro, this is not even a Walmart. What the pull up to this spot. Bro, police is outside, bro. Oh God, they outside. I'm about to say, keep it window down. I'm gonna put you for that 10. 12 is outside. Bro, why she got me in here trying to find some leggings? Let me see. Let's do before and after. All right, so y'all let me know. So y'all see that? She gonna put on some leggings and we're gonna see if it's gonna be fat. So y'all let me know. Y'all saw it before. So when she put these leggings on, don't got your size? Face ass. So she trying to find some leggings. So bro, y'all let me know, bro. Y'all saw it before, that ass. When she put these leggings on, I hope this shit just fat. I hope it's just fat for it to stop. Bro, we late as bro to this event and she wanna stop and get some leggings for it. So we're gonna hope this shit is fat as when she put these hoes on. But I'm gonna let y'all be the judge, so y'all let me know, bro. So I'm gonna turn it back on when she gets situated. Man, this got me in here with these YouTubers and shit. Bro, where you got me at, bro? Where you got me at, bro?
Shout out to my boy, Jay Frank.
We got the bottle in his hand?
I got the bottle. I'm looking for a model, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm looking for a
bad. She got the leggings on. Hey, so y'all let me know. Let me see. Give me a 360. She got the leggings on. What y'all think? That thing is fat? They said. What y'all think though, for real? She got. Hey, y'all let me know, bro. What y'all think, bro? Y'all think her ass look fatter in the leggings or the pants? Y'all let me know. No cap. Y'all let me know in the comments, bro. Y'all think that motherfucker fat in the jeans or the tights? They said. We'll see. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know. If it's fat or not. Let me know in the chat. I don't know what I'm doing here, bro. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vlog this shit. But we're gonna see, bro. Check that out, bro. We got the bottom of his hand. They said. But this is the most lame shit that I have been to in a minute. I don't know why I'm here, bro. Like, why am I here, bro? This is not the type of content I give y'all. Why am I here? Why, bro? Like, where's the cars at, bro? Where the cars at? I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. This is boring. Very boring. I'm about to slide though.
And you just got it straight white.
Oh my God. Bro, what the f?
know something?
What the f?
Know something? Alright, let's fuck this one up.
You ain't come to play.
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, you sound a little quiet. This is why, nigga. That's why I do. You feel me? Hey, know something? I got you.
We're going. Oh, shit. But they loving this shit. The smoke is thick as fuck. Hold on, bro. You can't even see, bro. You can't even see. Alright. God. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. Do it again, twin.
Hold up now.
If I'm on a track, I can do like 1.9 right now. With drag race.
Do it again, twin.
I don't know.
That's crazy.
I built this shit fully.
Like,
Upper, lower, supercharger, E85.
for real? You slip. This might be you for real though. It might be you for real.
Probably 20.
I can't see in this cat. I like that.
I'm so bad.
I like that. We're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. It coming. It coming. The Hellcats coming. The Hellcats coming. Big Hellcat. All right, we about to around. So you about to follow us to the KSU? All right, bet.
I don't like this shit.
It's so dip. Yeah, it dip right here.
That's why I wanted to stop. Because I don't want to fucking.
Oh God.
We're gonna wait this shit.
Anything else got to be here? Shit. He's not right like that.
Oh, who the that on? trim. Where Elliot? All right, gang. We just left that smashing pan and we at this car meet, man. So this motherfucker, I ain't like this place is deep. This place is deep.
Shit, we just rolled down.
What going on, twin? Yeah, hell yeah. What the part? Where everybody at? He said come down the middle. Go down there. All right. Yeah, we about to go down there now.
Go around.
All right, let's go.
All right, we coming down now. Go down there. That's where they standing at. A little bit of everything. Ooh, face on it. Look at that 170 right there.
What part?
No, go through the other side. For that 170. Sheesh.
No, that ain't.
Nah. Hey, this is the reason why I hate going to car meets late. Cause once you pull up, bro, everybody just surround your shit, bro. Like, bro, how you feel, bro?
Oh my God, look what she just sent me.
Okay, we ain't gonna show that, but yeah, once we get here, bro, like they just start like jocking, bro. Like, no cap.
It's crazy,
bro. This motherfucker is hard, bro. Bro, that's what that is, man. Bro, the Demon 170. Like, what the? It be hard. It be hard. I ain't gonna hold you. This tough. And my boy pulled up in this motherfucker. What is it, bro? What is this, V6? SAT? What is this, bro? And my bag clean as we got the Monclesi on, got the white ones on. Stop playing, my boy, man. Rolling on their ass. What is this, bro? This a Daytona? Bro, this is a V6. This is a V6 twin. They been clean though. And you got the stars too in it, bit, don't you? Let me see. Oh, you gotta have them ready, bro. Like.
I don't like running the battery.
Oh yeah, true. My boy clean as stop playing, my boy. Let me see what we. Oh, that bit hard. Hey, y'all want this in the Challenger, bro? Y'all let me know, bro. Should I get this in the Challenger?
Purple with the purple, you have to.
On God, purple with the purple. That do make sense, bro. That do make sense, bro. I'm with the wide body though. On God, so what?
He tried to try me that V6.
Not one of them. No cap. My boy came clutch though. It bit clean. We got this right here, the Mocha mug. We got the Mocha wrap. Feel me? Got a 392. We got my boy C4 right here. Twin coming in there. We got a little Durango. Green mug. They did us like a Mopar meat though. I ain't gonna hold you. Damn, boy, it's a whole lot of loud. That bit loud. That bit loud for no reason. That bit hard. My boy Catchy V come trim. That bit hard too. Sheesh. That bit hard. That bit different too. Regular. Sheesh. This motherfucking hill, boy.
What's BB?
Oh, cat, it be hard. Shit. That bit hard as fuck. That wine is ridiculous.
Oh my God, I need to be in the bathroom.
Damn, man, my boy.
Come on, twin, we need a pull or something. Cold hell out here. Well, fuck, let that bitch warm up. Ain't that bit hard. Then they got the black wing and they got the GT motherfucker. But he need to come on with this shit, boy. It cold. I guess you gotta let that bitch warm up. That bit tough. That motherfucker hard.
Well, rev it 20 more times. 20 more, please.
You heard it?
I say pay for his gas. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm saying it. Shaking like this. Cold as fuck.
You about to slide that whole twin? Let's see what he gonna do. Let's see if he's gonna slide that bit. Let's see if twin, he got his head out the window too, or he feeling himself. Let's see if twin gonna slide that hoe. Let's see. Got a fat ass crowd. Okay. Alright, it's alright.
What you think?
Nah.
Dog shit.
Nah. Shut the fuck up. Chill out. Okay, you hear that one? Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah.
And the crowd goes, woo!
That bit hard. He's sliding that bit. Yeah, he's sliding that bit. Hey, he did better this time. Hey, he was sliding that hoe. He was sliding that bit. I give it to him.
We catch all the tickets to these niggas.
Yeah, they go ahead and go for 12 pull up.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna hold you. 12, 12 love Brando, so we about to go ahead and slide.
Oh yeah, Brandon be snitching.
Huh? Oh, whoa, I do not snitch. Oh, God.
She called it
I
out.
do not.
She got a video.
Oh my God, 12 is, bro. 12 is acting out. 12 is, oh my God. 12 is showing up. Man, bro, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, bro, and the boy tired, man. Hey, man, thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for watching the video, man. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, man. I'm tired. I'm about to take my black ass home. My boy gotta work. He on the way to work. He's different. Why is all these Camaros, bro? And no Dodges. 1 Camaro, 2 Camaro, 3 Camaro, but it's no Dodges out here, bro. No Dodges out here nowhere. No cap. But anyways, thank y'all for watching the video. Brando out. I'm tired. It's 2 in the morning. So you gotta like this video just cause I'm out here at 2 in the fucking morning giving out the footage. Huh? Hell yeah, type shit. So yeah, y'all go ahead. Oh shit, do all that. My boy came out here.
Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to That's Brando.
Yes sir, man. Hey, I heard what he said, bro. Y'all heard what he said. Y'all go ahead and do that though. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Brando out.
Challenger, it be too loud with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.